For 25 years, Mr. Gallo has shared the tradition and story behind making Irish potatoes. Students aren't just learning how to make this classic treat, they're learning the history and meaning behind St. Patrick's Day. I had the chance to talk to Mr. Gallo about why this tradition continues to matter.
I've been making Irish potatoes since 1993. Most people that work here have at least had an opportunity to try them once before. And students will begin asking me in September, will I be making them again? So I didn't want to let the student body down, and particularly the seniors that enjoyed it for a couple of years.
I spoke with Mr. Geisler to get another perspective on the lesson.
I always say bringing history to the present. So if we can make connections using American history, going all the way back to colonization, early America, and making it relevant today, I think students buy into it more.
Lessons like this continue to leave a lasting impact on students year after year. For Cherokee Digital Media, I'm Nick Addy.